Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I welcome you all in EPSEX online support program. This is class 1 week 19. Page number 94, unit 7, let's go. Topic imperative sentences. Introduction of the lesson. Learn about sentences and its kinds. Thought of the day. Let's start a day with a good thought of the day. So, a thought of the day is we should take good care of our books. Our subject is English language. Objective. Today we will learn about sentences and discuss its kinds. Success criteria. To achieve this objective, our success criteria will be: watch the video very carefully. Motivational questions. What is the word? Yes, my dear students, do you have any idea what is the word? Okay, I'm going to tell you. The word is a letter or group of letters that has meaning. I repeat, the word is a letter or group of letters that has meaning. For example, dog, books, table, mother, and many more. Just observe here, there are group of letters and it's give you a complete meaning. Dog, dog is an animal. Books, here also there are group of letters and this word is giving you a complete meaning. This is a word. Table, mother. There are so many words like this which has group of letters. Let's proceed. Our today's topic is sentences and its kinds. Imperative sentences. Let's start our today's topic, sentence. Do you know what is a sentence? Good. A sentence is a group of words that makes sense. For example, the sun rises in the east. John is playing football. See here, this is a group of words and this is giving you a complete meaning. So, this is a sentence. Now remember, my dear students, a sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. For example, Sam loves ice cream. Here, the sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Let's take another example. The children are playing. Here also the sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Now let's come to imperative sentences. Do you know what are imperative sentences? Yes. An imperative sentence gives a command and make a request. It ends with a full stop. For example, sit quietly in the classroom. Don't forget your books. Be nice with your mother and father. Go to the market and bring some vegetables. Speak politely with your elders. So my dear students, observe here, these sentences are giving you some command. So these are imperative sentences. Remember, to be more polite, you can use please. Whenever you use the word please, it means you are requesting to someone. For example, please put these cups on the table. Please open the door. Please settle down. Here you have observed that we have used the word please. It means you are requesting. So, these are imperative sentences. Be careful. Use the verb without to and without ing. And don't say you. For example, don't run in the rooms. See, here I have started the sentence with don't. I have not written you. We start the commanding sentence with don't. Don't run in the rooms. This sentence is indicating the order. Next, help your parents and elders at home. Here also I have started the word with command, with order, not with the word you. Help your parents and elders at home. Recap. Let's take a quick recap that what we have learned today. Today we learned that sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. And imperative sentence indicates command and request. Home assignment. Write any 3 imperative sentences on loose sheet or notebooks. I hope you have understood the topic. Take a very good care of yourself. Thank you.